hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Poulumi. Thanks for dropping in by my channel. And if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular very dramatic and glam eye makeup look, where I have used a few colors, but the two basic colors that I have used are green and blue. So yeah, this is a look which is based on the two basic colors called green and blue. I love playing with colors, as you guys must have known by this time. And I have put on some pearl rhinestone onto like this area to glam it up, and this is my entire look. And if you want to know how I achieve this particular base makeup look, please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @Poulumi_Mimi, and from there you can check out this particular base makeup routine. So now without any more further ado, let's dive into the video. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, and I have completely prepped and primed my eyelids, and so I'm going to quickly go ahead and start digging it with my palette. So the very first palette that I'm going to take today is going to be my Morphe X James Charles palette, which is basically this one. And taking this beautiful palette over here, I'm going to take this beautiful color over here, which is basically this one. There's a beautiful shade which is this one. So I am going to take this beautiful shade and start putting it on my crease. So right now I'm just placing this color on my crease and marking that area. I'm not doing anything more than that. So I'm just going to start taking the color from the palette and patting it on my crease area. I'm constantly going back towards the palette and taking the color on my brush and placing this shade onto like this area of my eyes. And later on I will obviously be blending this shade with other shades, but right now I'm just going to keep it like this. So right now when I'm done with that blue shade from my Morphe X James Charles palette, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and dig into another color, and that color is going to be from my Colourpop Cosmetics Just My Luck palette, which is basically this one. So I love using this palette. So right now I'm just going to start with this particular shade over here, which is called Act Natural. So I'm just going to take this dark green shade over here and start putting it onto like this portion of my eyes. I'm doing the same thing that I did for the color blue from the Morphe X James Charles palette. I'm just taking the shade and patting it onto the area where my crease is, like little above my crease. I'm not actually putting it on my crease because obviously my crease is on here and I am putting that shade on there. So obviously I'm not putting it right under my crease, right on my crease, but just a little bit above my crease, so that I can create like a fake crease. And my eyes I do get a lot of working space onto like this area. So right now when I'm done with both the shades, like I'm putting on that dark blue shade and putting on that dark green shade on my crease, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another brush and take another color and start blending those colors. So the very first color that I'm going to take is going to be from my Colourpop Cosmetics Blue Moon palette, and from this very particular beautiful palette over here I'm going to take this color over here. I think I'm going to take this Starry Eyed shade over here, which is basically this one, and I'm just going to start blending with that one. But gradually if I see that this color is not going, then I'm obviously going to shift towards and mix and match some other colors, which I'm going to be telling you guys throughout the way. So yeah, first I'm going to start with this one for now. So right now when I'm done blending that dark blue shade with that light blue shade called Starry Eyed from my Blue Moon palette by Colourpop Cosmetics, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another palette by Colourpop Cosmetics, which is their Just My Luck palette. And from this beautiful palette over here, I am going to take this beautiful light green color, which is known as Kiss My Ass, which is basically this beautiful color over here, which I have broken by some means. So I'm just going to take this beautiful color over here and I'm just going to start blending this a dark green shade, and I'm just going to start creating the magic, because this is the place where the magic and the drama is going to happen. So I'm just going to, drag it till my hairline. So that is what I'm going to do today. So that might take some time. So be patient with your girl. So at this point, I'm adding some yellow shade towards the ending to make it look very diffused and blended, because obviously yellow and green blends together like a dream. So yeah, and to make that color more gradient, I'm just adding that shade onto like this area of my eyes, like my face. This is not the part of my eyes, so sorry. So yeah, I'm doing that. So right now when I'm done blending this portion of my eyes and dragging it towards my hairline, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut my crease. And to cut my crease, I'm going to use my all-time favorite concealer, which is my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So yeah, I'm just going to use this particular concealer over here to cut my crease. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that. Right now when I'm done with this cut crease, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start filling up this cut crease area, which the clean area. And to do that, first I'm going to take this beautiful palette over here by Colourpop Cosmetics Blue Moon palette, and from this particular palette I'm going to take this beautiful color over here called Billie Jean. So I am just loving this color currently, so I thought why not I choose this one. But previously I was thinking of taking this Lumi shade over here, this pure white and pearly shade, but I thought like taking that one. I hope I'm not doing a mistake right now. So yeah, I'm just going to take that particular color over here. This color basically looks like this. So yeah, I'm going to start with this shade called Lumi. So taking that shade onto a flat brush like this, I'm directly going to press it onto my eyelid, because these are pressed pigments and they just stick onto your eyelids just like that. So I'm just taking the shadow till the middle of the eyes where my eyeball rests. So I am dragging that shade onto like till this portion of my eyes. I'm not going to drag it further, because on this portion of my eyes I'm going to put on some greens. So right now I am putting that Billie Jean and taking that onto my flat brush, and I'm patting it onto like this portion to so that the Lumi on like this area, Billie Jean on this area. So I'm just doing that so that I get a nice and gradient effect. So right now when I'm done with both the blue shades from my Colourpop Cosmetics Blue Moon palette, I'm going to go back towards my Just My Luck palette, and from this beautiful palette I'm just going to take this Big Bangs metallic shade over here, which is basically this one, and taking this beautiful shade over here onto another flat brush. I'm going to put it onto like outer portion of this eye. So right now when I'm done with that metallic green shade from my Just My Luck palette, which is a Big Bangs, so what I'm going to do is I am just going to put on some liner, and for that I'm just going to choose my all-time favorite NYX Epic Ink liner, which is basically this one. So I love using this particular liner, Epic Ink liner, and taking this beautiful liner over here, I am going to draw some nice thick winged liner onto my eyelid. So while doing the liner, I thought like I'm not going to wing it outwards, because I already have winged it with the green shadow, the green metallic shadows. So what I'm going to do is right now I'm just going to put on some mascara and some falsies, and I'm going to do that behind the camera because my battery is running out of charge, so I need to put it on charger. And that is it for this particular eye. So I will be right back putting on my falsies and my mascara. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. And for my falsies today I'm wearing my PAC M85 lashes, which are my current favorite lashes, so I'm wearing these particular lashes. And for my mascara today I'm wearing my Benefits Roller Lash Mascara, which is basically this one. So yeah, I just love using this mascara. This mascara is currently my go-to mascara. I just love using this mascara. This is so good. So yeah, I'm wearing that on my eyes, and while doing the rest of the makeup I thought, why not I put on some white rhinestone onto like this portion of my eyes and a tiny one on here. So I did the same thing on like this area of my eyes. So yeah, that is it for my today's look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this like dramatically and drastically glam look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.